The Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody stands as a testament to American muscle engineering, combining raw power, aggressive styling, and modern technology into a four-door powerhouse. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into its performance, design, interior features, and overall driving experience, providing insights into what makes this vehicle a standout in the muscle car segment. Performance, unleashing raw power. At the heart of the Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody lies a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine, delivering an astonishing 797 horsepower and 707 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse enables the sedan to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. Equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. The widebody package enhances the vehicle's stance, adding 3.5 inches to its width and accommodating wider 305/35 ZR20 tires. This modification not only improves grip but also contributes to a more aggressive appearance. Advanced features like launch control, torque reserve, and adaptive suspension ensure optimal performance on both the street and the track. Design and exterior, aggressive aesthetics. The Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody's exterior design is a bold statement of its performance capabilities. The widebody fender flares, functional hood scoop, and menacing front grille give it an unmistakable presence on the road. The addition of Brembo 6-piston brakes and dual exhaust outlets further accentuates its performance-oriented design. The vehicle's aerodynamic enhancements ensure stability at high speeds, making it as functional as it is visually striking. Interior, comfort meets technology. Inside, the Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody offers a blend of comfort and advanced technology. The cabin features premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats and a driver-focused cockpit. The Uconnect infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, provides seamless connectivity. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the SRT performance pages, which offer real-time data on engine performance, G-forces, and lap times. Driving experience, a blend of power and precision. Behind the wheel, the Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody delivers an unmatched driving experience. The supercharged engine provides instant throttle response, while the adaptive suspension adjusts to road conditions, offering a balance between comfort and performance. The vehicle's wide stance and performance tires contribute to exceptional handling, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway. The exhaust note is unmistakable, providing an auditory reminder of the power under the hood. Real-world impressions. In real-world conditions, the Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody proves to be more than just a straight-line performer. Its handling capabilities are impressive, with the adaptive suspension and wide tires providing confidence-inspiring grip. The spacious interior ensures comfort for all passengers, making it suitable for daily driving as well as spirited weekend outings. However, potential owners should be mindful of its fuel consumption, as the powerful engine demands a significant amount of fuel, especially during aggressive driving. Conclusion. The Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody is a remarkable fusion of power, design, and technology. It offers an exhilarating driving experience without compromising on comfort or practicality. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or someone seeking a distinctive vehicle that stands out on the road, the Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody delivers on all fronts.